A modernist period house, and the bathroom was fairly old. The kitchen was 30 years old, and we're thinking maybe we might move in 5 to 10 years. The real estate agent suggested it would be a good time to maybe update, and we were keen to do that too. On the local Facebook group, I found a post on the local Facebook group, and then followed up looking at the website, and liked what I saw. Well, I have to say it was faultless. PK was a really warm, friendly person, not pushy in any way, and he had plenty of ideas about what we could do with the kitchen, but also he was happy to listen to the ideas and thoughts that I had, and I found that was a good combination when designing your kitchen. And just the whole process was smooth. People came on time, people left on time, people cleaned up, and they were all really friendly, really positive. I was amazed actually. I hadn't ever had such a wonderful experience. I've done 4 kitchens now, and it was remarkable to see how smooth, friendly and positive it was. I'd say don't go for the cheapest one. You know, there's a temptation to think, want to save money. I wouldn't say that our kitchen was the cheapest one we could have had, but it's certainly not the most expensive. But I think the quality is exceptional, and I think you've got to look around a bit, but I like to think about the people that I'm going to work with, because it's quite, how would you say, not traumatic, but it's a big thing to be doing this sort of job. So you need people that you can work with and that are amenable to listen to what you say, that will respond quickly and positively when you've got an issue or a concern. And so I think you've got to find the middle path and get what you can afford. But to me, it's about the people that you're working with, and I honestly can't fault our kitchen provider in this case, and the bathroom too. We did the bathroom first and then did the kitchen, and we were so happy with what they did.